Welcome back to Toga TV, and this is a brand new movie. I want to watch it to the fullest end, and as usual, drop on an honest comment down in the comment section. And you know, as usual, I represent for Empress, and now I want to go over to our Vivo channel and comment on our latest music. Just do right, and GQ TV, you know, go check out GQ TV and do right same way, you understand? So bless up on yourself and big up Empress G too, you understand? Remember, drop on an honest comment down in the comment section. And if anybody who watch this right now want to donate anything to the channel, just hit me up on this number where they're on the screen, and further information will be exchange.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you, remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden.
Y'all know who?
Uncle,
Yo, you know what I mean?
why?
You is a two-faced.
I'm a two-faced Wayne.
Why you ever tell the girl say me don't want to go with me because she a thief?
Me never tell her that. Me tell her say, you say don't want her over her yard when you not did it.
No, she come tell me say you say out of your own mouth say me say she a thief.
She can't tell her that and me never tell her that and me and her never hold a conversation.
So I like she a tell.
I like she tell her everything people tell you to believe.
You don't tell me that. You tell you say you don't want nobody over me yard. And you go tell her say me say directly say she enough to come on me yard because she a thief.
But why you say me tell her? You say you don't want her in your yard when you not did it.
You too lie.
Me not tell no lie.
Me know you. All this lie to me, I tell you, just a pack up in your nose and I make your nose more bigger. You know, say you're a Pinocchio.
I don't give me a Pinocchio if me that tell her me nose would have grow.
You have to tap it, man. Your ears them look like elf. You have to tap it.
I want
it,
to use
man.
them favor.
Tap it, man.
Me don't care what you want to say about me. Me don't care what you want to say about me.
Why me I tell you, man, God?
He running at the family can look on you.
Hey,
Look at you. He
check
running at
the
the family.
forehead. The
Check my
forehead.
forehead. Check my forehead too. Check my forehead too, uncle. Check my ears. My ears better than fat. Listen to split in a two. Right.
Your forehead favor.
Why my forehead favor? Tell me.
I look at Miss Matty, I come now. Your forehead favor, Miss Matty, donkey batty.
And I don't care.
Okay.
I don't care and I can't do nothing about
Stop
it.
telling.
And your face favor Miss Matty Donkey. And hungry that me come but you come attack me about foolishness, man.
You're hungry.
Yes. And you know me not do nothing like that.
You're hungry.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Come lose it.
Why you call the dog for?
Fling yam that.
Me can't name dog.
Chinese do that. And when they go to Chinese restaurant go buy food, you know them sweet and sour chicken they want to yam. I don't eat any chowi.
I know, me realize something.
And the dog will not eat.
I know, me
Come
realize
lose
something. No wonder make you chat so much and no wonder make you shape so bad. Because you eat dog. You name dog, you. I mean, what?
Yeah.
Now talk up in my face because you name dog. I mean, the way you make dog breath catch me. I'm hungry, me say.
You better yam dog than a thief. And
Me
tell
not
lie.
thief. I mean, I tell no lie. Me not thief and tell no lie. But me has something to tell you. Me has something to tell you.
You are the liarest person I ever seen in the family. You lie from your baby, you tell lie. From your baby, you tell lie. Me watch when your mother carry you. You come out and you don't get no liquor, you a ball. When you come out of your mother, you lie. You don't feel no pain when you come out and you're a ball. When you're the creep and somebody comes to you, you ball. When they start drift up on a step off and somebody else see and come to you, you ball. You are the liar, this person ever born on this
So I
island.
ask you, when you dey born, you never ball.
No,
When you are creep, you never ball.
no.
When me dey born, me never ball. I wall and me wall and don't tell like palm. But anyway, that's what you know. Peter down the road, tell me, say, must tell you, say, you figure name shit. But me say, me name don't tell you, come here, respect. But I want say, me can't tell you.
Cha. Shit on you, Peter. That's why Peter tell her that. Because me no believe that.
Shit on you, Peter. You
Food
say shit on you,
yalo.
Peter.
Fool
Me
ya.
no business tell me I tell you the truth.
See, look at your coat.
Come on.
So, here they not, they just stand up.
I edges, we can't make edges every day until I go root up and jail now while me here. Every time you see me not like with one family member.
Ball your head.
If me buy me head, me go was so ugly than how me ugly now. You don't have sense.
No, you have to favor the monk. And the monk them better than you. So it makes sense to just ball your head.
Me no want to come in like no monk. I am monk yourself and Japan G. What's what I want.
Sometimes I wonder, you know,
Don't go back in.
when your mother and father, did they get you, then did they think say them a go through market ground?
No.
When in the panther.
I never market gun.
Because
And at the tree they need they like the monk.
me I wonder if you're a boy or you're a girl, because turn up and look for you now, me can't tell the difference.
Because me here come back. Me here is back. Right? I'm a favor my father, not my mother.
Why your father get a big head though?
I don't care. Me love my father. My father give me this. I'm proud of that. I'm a big head store everything in my head. That's another can't feed that.
See your mama chat so you chat.
My business.
Your mama chat in her sleep. Your mama chat a market. In chat a bank. In cozy bank people and sit there that you do.
And you know where you are chat? Every night. Where woman over here name again? Wanna like come and do? You just love cock up in her bed. What's your name?
You have a problem with the woman?
No. But me have something to tell about your woman. Can you know you would do a night time? Every night. Chat underneath your woman foot. Right. But my mother. Tell about my mother. Because my mother not every day come and talk about my mother. Every day to chat underneath your woman foot. I see you look so.
Hungry I kill you.
I need to come by road and talk about me.
Hungry I kill you. Yeah.
I don't care. I mean, I good on.
That's why you can't people business. Come here.
Me not care about the business come here. And that's why me go show you something today. Me go show you something like this today.
Hungry I kill you. If I put you in a problem. Oh, sorry, baby. You're on the phone. Oh, everything. I will go.
Girl, yeah, tell us this. You don't want to put a machine card. Want cash you out. I'm see me have your clothes, me put clothes in me, my girl.
I love you so.
Yes, because we are going on picnic. Everything we are going on, girl. We plan on picnic date too. You know? Because me and your friends, so we have to have that connection then. That strong connection. You know what I'm saying?
We want just nice same thing.
I'm matching Alfie
Yes,
girl, but
matching.
I shot at $10. I'm want $10.
We can't get that man. That's easy.
Alright. Because we need to go, girl. I go in and no man, I look like a that stage. I tour with me and your friends. Understand?
Yeah.
I'm in love with girl. Come here, go.
I love you too.
I love you. Because you see, sometimes my life I don't have no real friends. Sometimes I feel
That's true.
I'm in love with me, I feel connection. Strong enough. I'm in love with you in a real life. But sometimes I talk to them, Billy, say, I hear me, I say.
Me, I hear you, man. Me, I listen to you.
You sure?
Yeah.
100% sure.
Girl.
Alright, girl. That's enough I love you now. I must say we are best friends for 5 years. 5 years.
Soon 6.
So 6, I got our anniversary. I said we plan the picnic date. But me people are surprised, you know. But me have to tell you.
I know that surprise.
No, me buy gift for you.
Oh.
Yes. I'm tell you to. Wow, put a matching tattoo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Put your name right, sir. I put my name right, sir.
Yes, girl. Now you're friendly, girl. So I have to put it on it. And guess what, too, girl? What day me they done the road? I have to chuck one girl.
You don't call me?
No, you know I'm chuck a girl. The girl on the road that chat you. If you chuck a girl in her head, kind too bright.
Let me know you have my back, you know.
Yes, I mean nobody touch her road. Come if you chuck a girl in her face. I want to believe me.
Me believe your girl. Because you me believe everything you tell me. Because I told you, if me I go down, me know you come down with me.
Right.
And if you a go down, me know me I go down with you.
Exactly.
The two of we like this.
Yes, and if you're wrong, you're right in my side. Because
Same
me
thing
your
me say too,
friend.
yes.
Then me go one side, me tell you if you're wrong.
And me nobody beat your road. If the
Nobody
girl
tell
call
me and your road,
did
girl. Right. Because I say, girl, don't dare chat about your whore. And boy, you have 1,000 man, you know. Me say me just walk up to the girl and suck the girl so. Huh? I'm a tricky girl like, is it too
So
bright?
what she do to you?
What she do to me?
Oh, come here, a bad girl no.
Me chuck her back cause she too bright. And you know me not afraid of no girl.
You know that?
Me not afraid of nobody. Nobody at all, me not afraid. You come on. Cause I remember this time my friend a road.
Yes, it's too bright.
Anyways, you know, so we there, they walk up here, you have to go do come here hungry.
No, you know say I feel yard too, girl. Things up there to me, I do.
Girl,
My friend!
I have this history to tell you. I have this history to tell you, mama. Me say, me can't stand for that one and you want to sit down.
Come.
Yes, me no, mama, you don't tell me to sit too much. Me don't want to tell that one tell me business, that one tell you.
Sit down.
Me say last night, me over me yard and me a play video game and I go and relax back in the door. You know me a play me game and everything, you know me love me game. But me dey me here one little nice. I back in the yard. So me I say, and me next no, but so me I say, I would have could in me yard. So say, me enough self jump out of the door and go and look. When me look and cock over me ears so over the fence, me hear the man say, what you do with this man number in your phone? Boy! Brown man BT woman in game so leak. Hey!
And she can can't beat it.
If I never for the brother, she would have dead in there. Me say, mama, I beat your BT meeting last night. I mean here. Me say, me take me one look time and go to do and go over the fence. Me say, a bad boy.
Me know you.
Watch ya.
I tell you, you
Yes, I'm tight steer out. Girl, me I go over there to see what go on and what take place. And you know what I can do? Let me tell you every update for the go on in the area, because you're not put your yard.
So me and you wake up me here and tell me.
I see like a thinking boy down the road, the one I look and I get you.
Yeah.
Me here saying yam front.
That's why me
Me
no want to
here saying eat it.
I me no want to eat him because I make it long.
Girl, me say me here saying eat front. I see that little stinking one down the road again. What do I look here?
That's Christ. That's much
I hear saying no tap looking friend them woman.
I saw them staying at the lane, girl.
Every one of them eat pan. And you see when you come in, go like everything is okay, so go on baby and I blush with you and think everything is alright. And you see woman now, the woman don't got no sense, the woman mother and food.
Say that.
Mama tell you
If I never give money, you just do that at sex and not get no money.
You don't know why one of the people them like to your face them.
But me I tell you say not get no money, because that boy say, him now waste free money pan she, because your body not worth it.
Okay. But I don't care about football body don't work if a football body don't work. I may tell you the updates them. And then this man done the lane now have two women one time.
That's crazy. I know
But the two of them don't know about them one another. Only one nobody other. See that woman? Me say she nah no sense. What day mama sitting in the house? Mama hungry, why is color take mama have to eat tough crackers. But as the boy say, ring, 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 hello mama. Bam! Bam! Thanks, boy, yard, mama. Them a girl people nowadays just stupid. I have to think too. Every time the boy get up and give mama a bun. Mama do. He sit down and burger.
Like my idiot, like some big bull cow.
I take back the boy.
Let's say idiot them there.
Me I tell you too, girl.
I'm friend like them there.
And that's why me have me glad you are my friend, cause you're not so fool. Come not make sense in your head.
No, remember one time you used to be the Yamed. Are you changing?
Cause Yamed, you know good for be a Yamed. Look, man, we take a for idiot.
Like how them a take my arm. What's
I
her name?
me tell you one story about one girl. What live up the road. She name Honey. Real life something. Mama have one man. Mama have two man. One of them are Tashika cousin. And you know what I know say, mama not top take the people them man. Go, I want another girl. Go take people man and the baby mother can't catch her. The baby mother give her some lick. Me say lick. Head all about thump everywhere. Me say they not say no.
Look at
I
them
pick your
people
bone
here.
them again and nowadays.
Them have to text my way ready to set it down for set. Then can not. Me even know.
Girl, that's why me ain't have no man. Cause no man already for settle down and me no man take me that.
Right.
And me want one good man. Me want good, decent, loving man which treat me nice.
Yeah.
Black man me want to, you know. Cause guess what? Me not like brown man. Me like black man. My man make it black and thick. Or if he not black and thick, if he mother, one thing can manage me. Me
But the man too, so he can must manage you.
No, some man can lift me up. Some man lift me up if he put me back down quick. They want me can't carry me for too long. And me say you have to think too. One man I'm used to talk to. You say me tell if he lift me up, he can't lift up me, you know. But he can't lift up me for quick. Mama, this is my lift up bike. And me heavier and bike heavier than me, you know. And him a lift up bike.
But I want to you, why?
Girl, I ask the same thing. I come like say me weigh more than the bike. He lift up me in and lift up me feel long. He ma put me back down. And me see him a hold up the bike so.
And he will manage your bike good.
Manage the bike good and can't manage me.
Girl, what a good man too.
Good man.
Somebody
them.
we ready to settle down. So me no want nobody to abuse my body.
Nobody at all. Anyways, me help her wake up your yard.
Yes, because me know me tired from man in my work.
No, you say me I go help you. If I did you come here, me I help you. You make breakfast?
You know that me have a kid that me say yard kind of turn
No,
to me
yourself.
to get visitor.
Go and go make breakfast. Me I wake up your yard.
Alright, yeah. Go plug this up phone because me get one card. Visitor come. Thank you, my friend.
Alright. Yes, one. Skid on.
People can't tell him.
We don't need no food. Girl, we don't need no food. We go on the beach. We say we can find good man, white man.
Okay, so I'm going to buy food for you.
Oh, we buy food. You can buy the bill. You can buy the bill. You want more.
Hello.
Who is here?
Yeah, give me a minute.
Who are counting?
Give me a minute.
Give me back and go.
Toga for your dinner.
Okay. More now.
Good do more than me not like. Yeah. Yeah, good. Like shit on the mat.
You want sweetie? Go see one good man, because good man wants to lie like. But now when I put them down close, make man a beat them.
This man a beat, you know, put hand for woman, that's the first thing, you know, hand for woman. If it's a problem, you go on your way, and I go my way.
When they go on their way, man, they sit on them down and sit there.
No, me I look on. Yeah, me best
You are the
friend.
best friend.
You can't hear looking face in there.
No, everything where
No,
when me there.
but man, me a drink me juice. When we let look at her.
Yeah, look, I mean, like her, like how she shape.
You can't take up broke man like her them, yeah. Him broke, look how him dress.
You have no for them dress and you have money.
No man.
You can't judge a book by cover. Me always a
Judge a book a bike cover kind then they get out them and them a beat the people them. Look at them. Look at all in foot. Look at suppose them a wear too.
I work.
A Gucci supposed to be in foot.
Listen me.
A Louis Vuitton.
Adidas this.
Me busy about Adidas. Me talk with big brand.
I work. Adidas a big brand.
I don't care no big brand for me. It's not Pasha.
Look here, look on card.
Enough man have card and no money in the party.
Look how much carry
No, that's not me.
A card, they see money party. But a whole heap of man have card and walk on a wallet and don't have a dime party.
But one day I get the call and make you go machine.
But when I go machine,
You don't think
different
you have
money
to
we
me
did it.
Me no business. Me no care. Me no there with that one. Me no go like
Alright, what me about
a photo about good shit. But
US mama, you see, it.
I wonder US that's the no.
You know how much this valley out here? You know how much this valley?
$100.
$250 can buy a juice.
Okay,
Wait,
trouble.
okay.
You see the best friend now, I talk to you and anything what she say? Good.
So I can't get your number.
Can you give me number?
My friend, well done. Yeah, give me the number.
rule, yeah?
Anything what she say me have to do. Respect her.
You can't make a decision.
You want me to say everything you want me to do, she have to do? Jump. Thank you. Yeah, give me the number. We'll see how far we go.
People do
Let me
decision
best
for you.
friend.
Right.
Give me a number. Let's stop this with you.
Give me the number now, before me change my mind.
Ask anybody.
I told we want somebody to build the post, get like prep and construction.
Up here, man, Shane, shut up, man.
Where you just say?
Me say, shut up, mama. Me
No,
put him
give me
in
this. Me a give a chance to get the number here, you come bright with me. Out of bad and bright. Come on, bright. Like give me a number, so tell me to shut up. Oh, shut up. I'm not. Me a give a chance to get the number.
Me best friend.
Why? We are people money, man. Bright. Oh, shut up.
Yeah, make you lose the opportunity right now. You don't even know. It's about a young girl. Boy, that's it.
A good boy, man.
Oh, go on.
Them funny, I leave it.
Yeah, that. Me got on the road out there, bro. And you see a one fillet. I watch you girl come down the road in there. And when we reach, I mean, I take you girl now. I rain this, sir.
Yes, daddy got early morning rain today.
I mean, I take you girl number now. friend, I go tell if I say me look broke and me not have money and one bag of soup.
So if you take us to the man, what happened to you now?
I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Me hungry, you look at sister.
Why you hungry? You even don't know yard for a man.
I'm not if you are gone.
But if you do something in
you
yard.
no feed.
What you plate them already then?
Yeah.
No, not much you know.
I really come
Listen,
down
listen, you
here.
want to go, listen. Go on boy, some boss don't get this work you go on top of this. Go listen.
Well, man, because it's a big man there, so I come and interview.
I like you.
If you talk to your sister, kind of no manners.
When you done?
If I done different man,
Yo,
them box
yo,
in
when you done, recopy your there.
My brother get alone can't
Me say,
help.
How
boss,
do you make
gas.
the coffee, give your brother, give you one half,
Boss, gas.
give the brother now a tea.
You can buy more
You want to make
crackers.
the coffee?
Now what 50 can give? What see what
$50?
can
I will make it, me buy you one egg.
That can buy egg already. You know.
No,
Yes,
me
you
I
buy
give you buy one egg. Buy you one egg
Buy 2
and
egg.
boil it.
Buy 2 egg now.
You must satisfy with what your brother give. I say if you know you go out the road, go take big man, you don't know that.
Tomorrow, if they not take care
I saw
already.
them young girl at time.
If they not take care, they don't take care already. If you put on the
They don't
park,
satisfy with that, then go and take big man out the road. And collect money, come and you see them with iPhone and you see them with this and that. And then look, you know.
no camera,
But
no
we not
camera.
talk about that, me talk about the girl now. When we like the girl and the friend and come corrupt the girl man. I first me see something like that. I corrupt the friend man and say don't
Probably-
get the number.
Probably friend want you.
The friend all say jump. We find if you see girl jump like rabbit. The girl was up
Look, you know.
and jump.
You are going now. A secret, that's why you know. The friend of secret, the next friend. You know, you go already with my girl. You know, some of them to some girl and so you are going to, oh, find a secret for them friend man, believe me, anything and tell them they do, man.
I feel something like that.
That, me I tell you. So,
If you not go so in here, if you
in
go
need,
so.
but I saw you go do, I not grow in the part there, so you go for it too.
Oh, me I
Secret.
tell the girl, mama is shape good and I like it. My bum bad. If friend and say me nah no money, they don't know say me a big rich man. They don't know that. You don't see me so.
They know say
Out
I'm farmer
that
daddy.
ground me I come from, they don't even know. They my young girl, they don't know good man. They don't know good man. Guys. Right, they say that spot there, she lose the opportunity and she don't even know.
Pour me the go, you know, in them clothes now. I want
You
to
don't
place
think you have no money. You don't really have no money still.
me not no money
You
to
just
show.
have
Me
one
like a
image
back
like say rare.
You see me like me have money, but me have a dollar daddy.
Yeah.
Some sister have to drink me after they take me breakfast.
So,
Coffee,
what go on differently?
And they are not going for the road. They are broke, I want the money, you know.
Tell her, you know, you're my friend, but me can't give you money. Say every day, me I give you money. You have to come over my farm, go and work. You have to put in
Them boss like me,
work.
look coffee farm, you know, daddy.
I mean, I talk about that. That was then. Me I talk about no, like you want to live off of me. I mean, I like
No,
the
daddy, me not live
style.
off. If me live off, my sister do come and I drink tea alone. I'm
No,
daddy,
man,
man.
give me to
I'll
the
speak to you in the morning.
Alright, tomorrow, me I pick some weed.
Mm.
Get 3 youth and you come. I pick some weed bright and early.
All money stay.
You know, me and here thing going. We have $2 a pound.
US.
Jamaica, me I do it US. You see me I spend US. Only US be having in my wallet is a $1. I me have that 3 year now. Me auntie left and go foreign. I mean I see her back her now.
So I have to pick 1 pound a week.
No man, you come in
The
the
4
morning, you come in the morning and you pick and you pick and you pick and you pick.
So when you reach
till-
1 pound, 2 bills are gone. When you reach 1 pound, you pick up.
Yeah, 2 bills that gone. And you pick till you reach all around 5 grand and you good to day.
2 bills, daddy. Daddy, you want for this, sir? You weed in the crib and you alone, me not talk about the light and the whistle and daddy. 2 bills for you weed in. And a bills for your crib in. Bills 50 for my light
And
and
5 bills a pound.
give me 1,000 a pound, daddy, around 15 bills a pound. Man, I'm telling you, man, you say, you go on like, you're too stingy with the money in the father.
No, listen to me, you see. Me is a man, me concern. It's like the future me I look for. The future.
You don't have no...
See what days time coming there, you don't have nothing, you know. And me everybody my tin food them and
Remember say
get
pasty
3
shop lit up, you know. Remember say roof lift up half a pasty shop, you know. So me govern
that a pasty shop me load up for me. Oh,
Me say me govern fee bum fee storm in daddy. When you shop lift up in daddy, oh. You want see me nice storm. Yo,
Up on
me
my yard
cause
is dead. And we sit down so with a cup of tea and look out and the case a blow down bread.
Me a pay your hunt, daddy. You
I'm
must say me
sitting
house,
up
me a pay your
there.
hunt. Me a pay your hunt,
But
daddy.
as we say, I'm a bridge, man. I like you see you now work. If you work, man.
Yeah, daddy, man.
You can't see me tomorrow and say, buy me a clip. Me don't like that, man.
But me never beg you buy something this morning, father.
But you see me look more, you're going to say, buy me a half a dog. Alright,
Half a dog.
and
top
shut
shelf,
her
man.
up.
Me not beg you buy no half a dog no special for me. But say you have money in for me. I just buy a buckle or two that you will just eat with bread, father.
Man, tell you.
You have no woman in your yard, Lippy. You ain't no people. What you do?
No, me say me a find a woman, you know. We
You
carry her
find
in the farm with
yet.
me.
You don't have her yet. You don't find her yet, daddy.
No, me gonna get her to carry her in the farm with
You just
me.
can't want to make like money with the killers. Man, I see your
Me
man.
need a good girl like say. Me nah make them know say me have money. Cause if them a girl, they just want smelly money.
Alright, here we go.
Just smell the money and see it. Then use you.
You can link up on a little feeling. You feel it. You feel it, man, on one part or one place, man. You know, so you have to spend some more money for me. You have to give me the money to see me.
Yes, right now. Yeah. Look, what you say? Can't tell the girl if you come check me.
So me a tell her if you come check you.
Alright, me a cook some food. Me get her food. Yes, my food. Just carry one bowl, come.
Ah, what?
One bowl. Yes, my food. You see me a tell her. You see me a tell her? The same thing me just sit down and explain to you. The same goddamn thing. And you do the same thing every day. It stop doing something, there, man. True me and you grow, you know me
daddy,
go
man.
give her money. Stop doing something there. Go on me and tell her. Yo. Hold it. Hold this. Let's buy a juice. Just buy a juice, man. Because we not think here every day. Buy a water, man.
Daddy.
Buy a water, man.
Daddy.
What?
Me have water in my house.
Buy a water.
Me I come check your look more.
Alright, buy a juice. Me have to say, buy a juice. Yeah, my bridge, you know, me not disrespect about starting something, man. My mom said check me tomorrow, you know.
Yeah, me.
Check. Alright then. No check me till me check you. Do not check me till me check you here. So me will check you for the work. What?
Right.
Just bless yourself, man.
Put us in the 1,000, man. Good step.
Girl, let me ask me top. That's a mini question. You really like him, man? Honestly, me like him about me and you like a connection already. Like, he might give me one vibe.
Listen to me. It's out here like him or you don't like him. It can't be no like or connection. It's a like or a no like. Tell me you like him or you don't like him.
Yeah, me like him. But the way you say, me have to work with because if you never talk to him, me I will follow what you are saying.
Alright.
Some respect you like that.
I'm gonna tell you now. And like say me I make no decision feel and tell you who you fit date and who you fit date, you know, it's just that it's sometimes when them man come on the roadside, they don't mean you no good at all.
But
So you told me I say no. You want to talk to him, you talk to him, but me not stop you.
yeah, but I can't look judge the book by the core.
Alright, me not judging book. Alright. Me not judging book. I read, me go read up in book. So yeah, I can go and talk, but no. No, as in come if you let him in, so sometimes if you push them off a little bit and see if they really want it, because sometimes they don't really want it, you know. Sometimes it's a talk to you and see if it's easy to get and then they come, bam.
That's true, like Sister Jai daughter don't listen.
So listen what you have to do now. Take your time and do it step by step, level by level. So, just say hi. If you see me next time, I can give you back your number. I don't know anything. If you see him, do it. You can be your friend.
You sure?
Yeah, me sure.
You're alright with that because last time whenever I talk to him.
No, girl. I'm happy for you, girl. You see, you find the one once you feel the connection. I say, me can't do the connection because I'm not my type that. I say, a broad man be like, no. I never like the black man. You like black man. So, Awa. So what me say to you say now is that when me see him, me can put in a couple words for you. Yeah? Come, I don't feel now. You look so down. Hush. Alright. Yeah, come on. You know, cheer up yourself, girl. Like, finally get a man. You still want your girl. You see that look for your big butt and you see your shape nice.
You know, see that time then something I feel good because I'm not happy for me.
Me excited. Me happy for your girl. Yeah, jungle. No, we happy for you.
No, me know if happy for me, I would have behaved so.
How would I be if me happy for you? How me behave a while ago?
Yeah, it would behave like that.
I'm sorry about that. But me happy for you if it's true.
Make sure you're happy for me now.
Girl,
Yeah,
if you never happy for you, I'm telling you, I go with the man. Me happy for you, mama.
Alright, I will talk to him. And next time I see him, I give him a number.
Yes, I have man.
Beach.
I love beach, yeah.
Sitting in the basement apartment.
Where I go?
So glad me see you. Don't let me have a
Yes, I don't ready. Me I go too. I'm here to tell you. So come on. Me buy back juice for sure. Okay, girl. I mean, no, you're not gonna believe you when you say like, girl. While I go, me I walk up the road. Me see him out at the roadside with one girl top at tell us about girl pan back here like kiss up girl. And I said, well, a friend and a friend. Yeah, I mean, here saying use woman, me here saying use female.
That I have to talk to
Girl, remember say your name not there. Probably not really want woman, but me I tell you from now.
Yeah.
I want bad somebody, you know, want nobody.
But you just want to use them.
Yeah, me know nobody use like me your friend girl. Me tell you say me I go read them up, read them up. Me hear say any day want woman one night time and the woman catch up and fight. Man the woman left.
Yeah.
Yes, I will yes, I will not beat him. And beat the girl and name all the girl in neck back. You know people like the girl.
A vampire.
Yes, like in a vampire diary. One thing is a vampire, no, me no one is a vampire. Me the one the vampire, them a vampire diary, but no that one here.
The one there.
How me tell you girl? Listen to me girl, me your friend girl. Listen to me. Stay by your guard. You can't make him trick you, be wise.
Yeah,
you know want nobody.
When you see him again, I'm going to ask him.
Good, okay.
But when if I'm going to answer me and tell me the truth?
You know what's up to tell you the truth? So ask him about it. You get two bag juice. And I'm going to get that fine. Let me get you. You have ice? See the ice?
Let me get them. What about fruit like this one?
Me or you?
The sin of adultery.
Hello. Toga?
You know, see me want to see you.
want to see you
Come. We can't come in the sun.
Alright, now come.
We can't come in the sun. Yeah.
And we have you read Bible.
Yeah. I mean, just a come from fasting.
The change.
Shit.
Let me something tell me, you never see so.
No,
And if
you
it's a
can't read a book
Christian.
by the cover. You don't know me and me don't know you. Or me I go tell you or you stay.
That's true. But me, I
Me know
hear
you.
something about you.
What kind of something?
You say, where there with 5 women one time. You beat them.
Alright, let me tell you something. It's any only thing you can hear about me is me used to deal with more than one girl. I'm not gonna tell you no lie because I like you, I'm not gonna lie to you. You understand? Me used to deal with more than one girl. And I change my life, I give my life to the Lord. Now I'm serving God up above. You understand? I cut out them something there. And Mr. said, foolishness. They go on and go on till me get disease out there. You understand? And me ease off for that. Me give my life to the Lord as me say. And now me I look somebody from married and settle down with.
And that
So
me I
we
look
can
for
create
somebody-
memories and build
Yes.
a family together. And that me I look now. Me not in the running up and down with nobody.
And if you see us, let me know because if I want to look for a real man, a man who can take care of me. And then we can make life together.
Don't worry, when you're talking to me, the Lord will provide. We shall never run out of bread.
So that's
We
what-
shall
What you're
never.
trying to say? You're not.
Me never say me not work. Me say the Lord will provide. for us, if we are talking together, the Lord never I could turn him back on you.
Amen.
No matter how you think the Lord turn him back on you, him have a door I go open for you.
Amen. I agree on that.
Remember,
So you can tell me what you want?
me want you, me want me if we can talk. So in the future we can have kids together.
What
And
if
we
no
can-
want no kids? Kids are problem, no want no kids.
No, kids is a must. Baby is a must. You understand?
But
You
when
might
you gonna
tell
work
me-
and leave me alone with
No.
the baby?
No. You
Yeah,
can't
baby
say that.
sitter?
You can't say that.
Not you know,
If
baby.
you not working, me have to go to go work. If you are work, I will stay with the child. You
When
understand?
I get one babysitter, I'm not babysitting any baby.
When
What if
that
one
time
guy
come,
do
we
one?
will cross the bridge with that. When that time come, but that time isn't. No, you understand?
Okay.
Now we got to get to know each other.
Okay.
So you're serious with me, right?
Yes, once you're serious.
Me don't want you to listen to your friend, cause your friend like
I'm a friend.
she very controlling.
She not very controlling, but it's me and her. So we see she, I will see me, I will see me, I will see she. I just because she sit there now, I don't go me that go get some drugs for her. I tell her see me and
You
her.
see, drugs?
Yes, drugs as in some Panadol and some medicine.
Oh,
What kind of
yes,
drugs you think me I talk about?
me I say,
She not take
you
no
not
drugs.
take drugs.
No,
Oh.
not take no drugs.
So take me number.
Yes, let me take your number. Cause last time I put my number in your phone.
And your friend delete it and me never like that you don't
Yeah,
know.
put your number in it. And make sure I say no. You know, use me in a style me.
Listen to me. I'm a man of God. And anything we say, me have to abide by it. You understand?
Write your number C now.
Okay. Me tell you that. First thing me a come. So where you going now?
I've been telling me that go down there get some Panadol and some medicine for my friend.
Alright then, do that then. When you reach home, you just give me a call, alright?
Alright, I will. And make sure say if a nice guy come my friend, if I find out somebody talk to you, I you know good, she go cuss me. Now I mean if you have nothing, and she will come to you.
Everything will go good. Understand? As long as you be real with me, I'll be real with you 100%. Alright, my brother. See, them boy, they give them life to God, you know. I try to bring them to the church and then now come. You understand? Them no want to give them life to the Lord. But one day, when God come to the earth, you go see them and run up and down. Go on.
Alright then, have a nice day. If I will pass I can see I may have a drink.
Yes, no, we're not drinking. We not drink rum. We need drink a water or a Malta.
Alright then, you get one Malta then.
Alright.
And you know for the rest I used to buy it.
No, go
What
on.
kind of man you be?
Me buy a drink, man.
Alright then, later.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, though I walk to the valley of the shadow of death. Oh, go on.
Daddy. I'm just gonna check, you know.
Where are you come on fire?
I mean, ready, you know, you will see me come check now. Let's go on.
Oh,
Yes,
why
I
is it? I get a news today, me I tell you.
Let's go on,
See,
Daddy.
we them will come this morning, 5:30, you check me. I mean, I said off in a vehicle. You don't know, say police take them away. Chilani, they reach at Chilani.
Yeah, I'm in work, so
Ah,
I'm not talk about that now. Let's go on now. You look big up.
Let me explain to you. I that the
Yeah, tembo weed.
me there wait for that the funds there. They say me I go pay on. But through them get one bag of processing and now and you have to find money to give police a release and you know. So you have to wait a little bit. If anything come through in a time period, me say alright, me pay. But me not have nothing now.
Daddy,
I swear.
Daddy, look on my finger them. Look on the finger head them. I see them look, them blobs up, Daddy. Work hard, you know. Not early wake up this morning. I'm warm for drink, look more.
Rum
you have to do
is tell that drinking rum.
You can't tell me that, but you can't tell me I know. I work for my money, Daddy. Me need it right now, man. Can you come look for me and give me $100 for this morning?
Yeah. Me go
I'll take back your $1,000 now.
Only if you check me some partner job.
When?
Tonight. When me go up and she call me go check her and make she check me.
So say me just give me some of your pocket, man.
No, me say me not have no, me give it to the church. Me get everything in the offering.
So you give pastor money to go buy big Benz. Big Bima.
No, don't say that about the pastor.
I mean,
Do not say that.
A big Benz and big man pass
Do
that
not
drive
say that.
that.
He's
And range.
telling everyone God is coming.
But I come.
You
But I
must
come here
listen.
one day.
We
But-
keep everything in that church. Every single thing in that church. We left her with 21,000 and get everything. We spend some in a Sunday school program and do some other stuff.
What you say, daddy?
21,000 we bring in the church.
You give pastor 21,000.
Yes.
Make up and buy Benz. But drive
Do
fast.
not say that.
Then
Do
me owe my
not say
money.
that. You're
Me
not
owe
buying
my
any
money.
Benz. I saw
Me
the
say-
young people who still are
I walk- me I walk
pastor,
in, daddy.
take money and do this and
Me say
that.
me a walk, you know. I walk. Them a drive big vehicle.
Let me tell you something. The pastor in the church might work for the Lord. Right?
And himself.
We might work for the Lord. You know things
So me ask
that
a question, daddy. Hold on.
the Lord
Me
will
ask a
provide
question.
something
Me
for
ask a
him.
question now. Me ask a question, daddy. So when time, when you give pastor money, they see, how God get that? That man.
No, God get it.
How?
God get it.
I care man get it. And the hardware them.
God get it because
And the strip club them coming up. And pastor.
alright, let me tell you, God don't need it. God make it that He get it so He can give others. And those others will get it in a lump sum, they can
So
give
pastor got
others.
there now.
Alright,
Pastor
I don't know.
Go back over the church, go check the pastor. See if he can give you something.
No, as me say, God I will provide so me can pay you.
Daddy.
If you get a partner draw so me go pay you.
Me a check in daddy, because you know, so the club got hot tonight, you know, daddy. The club got mad tonight, you know.
Tell you Lord, them
Listen to me.
them
No,
boy they
man.
get shot round there. You know see how much shot a bus round them there. I lucky you
I know me
lucky
them
the
bus you
last
off,
time you're going on. You're lucky.
Daddy, I never made them a bus here for daddy. So, me alright.
Anyway, everything done pick up about there. You then still up there.
Respond about them, you know. I left and some I come to get my money, you know, but you come and tell me in my ears right now.
No, I'm going to
corrupt,
deal with them. Man. If anything, I'll next year, you know, I'll be going to deal with the same year.
What's about next year?
No, me I say, if anything, anytime run up till next year, still I get the money.
You're crazy. Yeah, my people business and you're a deacon.
Oh, no.
You move like a deacon, no
Me
like
not
a
reach, me
pastor.
not
or-
reach the level there yet.
The level you want to reach.
Not reach the level there yet.
That's right. Yo, now wait till next year, no. Till
No,
night.
we go pay tonight, man. Don't worry yourself.
Tonight, like
We go
club
pay,
active.
man.
The club active, you know that, remember, you know.
Go pay,
We
man.
made it good tonight, you know.
No, you don't call my name bandit. You don't mix and mingle with sinners. Only you me talk to me and try to make you cross the bridge.
Bridge.
To go to the Lord.
Some night on that.
No.
Can I bridge that?
Alright, you love make gimmicks and do all kind of thing. You love gimmicks.
Look come on.
You saw me power by myself.
Me
You
and your
don't
power,
mingle
daddy.
with do no sinners. Them get out the road, them a sin.
Daddy, I made your part, daddy.
And me and your road come here and make
here,
you give your life to the
Look come on
Lord.
that club, you see it? What you say?
You don't talk with you, now go down. We soon check you, we soon check you. I'm tell you. Every day you sing, you sing, you sing.
How we get my scooter from?
So, I'm going to pump the water for you.
You sure bye? Man, I thief people scooter, you know.
If you never call for a thief, girl.
Me not know, but as your little
Remember, say,
sister.
shut up.
Wait, let me say
Shut up your mouth. I'm going to turn about a week or something, you know, to work.
you don't get paid yet. And you could never the buy. You could never the buy. And your sister there, they dead for uncle.
I mean,
I say you stay.
you
Anyway.
can't give me money, you know.
I don't care where you want to get the bike from. I don't care where you want to get the bike from. But just I come to you ask you if you have no money can use the
See
bike.
money, yeah.
Buy a snake.
See money, yeah.
Don't say leave back home and me get some weed. Find me home. Brother. How are you for?
You buy the tree, but some goes around there, so. Look pine tree, see a banana pine.
I'm doing on a banana.
Now go cookie, pick a breadfruit
So
and
you
you
buy a
like it.
mackerel or a bully beef or something.
Suppose I was on butter though.
Huh? I don't want that.
Water and pipe.
I don't want that. I want burger or Popeyes.
want burger at Popeyes.
You know, I don't know.
So give me money, man, me buy.
All out for see money. You want to make some money, we can fix up it.
You stay.
Oh, my stay. If we don't have one, I'm going to open the teeth.
I don't tell you forget it, but I'm not gonna sell a piece of bike. You can't move.
You go in the house, yeah.
You know what bike? Can you stay?
Where you go buy? Go in the house, go sleep, have you hungry. So bright, you can smoke to bike, girl. Yo, that tourist place we live in, man. Tourist up there bike, you know. We need to fix him up. Yeah, then. US dollars.
You know me from somewhere? No. Where you come from? Where you come from?
One place down there, so.
Oh. Say you walk around and beg people money like you beg me like you know me.
I'm thirsty.
So I guess that's why you so thirsty, why you want so thirsty?
Me and no from me, I walk from me. I walk from where going? Where place name again? Me don't even remember.
Where?
Down Tank Hill.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And you thirsty?
Yeah.
You know far me I walk go? Good up. Me I go further than you, me not thirsty.
That are you. Me and you different.
You just company when I beg. It's not right to beg.
Thirsty.
It's not right to beg. You just come and Miss, you can't buy more juice. Miss, you can't buy more juice. Me thirsty. Me walk all the way I go do up. I'm in the thirsty. Me walk all good up. Anyways. Me walk
Come on, if I chat, you go
Yeah,
chat
man,
me money.
I want like $1,000. Buy the juice out and bring back my change.
Alright.
When me walk back here so, bring back my change. I'm tell you this.
Me say, me go buy the drinks and I chat, you go chat me out.
Me not chat out and me explain something to you.
Taxi little $1,000.
As me I say now, don't walk on the road and beg man money. Cause if I did one man you beg, right now, see one man and beg one man, but sir, you can buy more than you in a carry go. In the bush go beg out under you. You understand? So in the company road, do not beg people any money.
I'm really thirsty.
Mama, bend down and peep in something and drink it. Cause you're thirsty. Quench your thirst. Till you reach your yard. You have a father, you have a mother.
No, then dead.
Oh, who you live with?
They run left
Who
me.
you live with? Who you live with?
Miss brother.
You live with your brother. Your brother now work for put food on the table.
No, you not work.
No one day in big sippers them too. Cause your sippers them just big on another level.
I criticize
It
you,
just
criticize me. Alright, drink.
Then
you
just
give me
long
money
like
to
my
buy.
uncle mouth. I saw my uncle mouth look. Long and dirty.
I criticize me. Miss R at the drinks, you give me the money to buy.
And you may plan to go buy the drinks and keep up money. And yes, some of them walk back and me come back here so.
Alright, me.
Me for me don't take a move. Me wait for my money. Here don't take too long.
Okay.
Hurry up. Cut on over here. Just sit down. Again. No man, look no. Call it time. See it there? He gone from 2 o'clock. No, at 4 o'clock. And all now she can't reach. And that's it to help people. Me $1,000. Me get $1,000. I have to put food on my table tonight. Me give me one little juice money time. And they come back. Wait till I book her. Make a come go on business. Wait till I book her. I'll good up me if you go and reach a good up. Second that pitting there in the man. Alright, me must book her. Hello.
Good evening.
How are you good?
Sir. I'm supposed to go say what do I owe this pleasure?
I know yes.
This
We come talk about what Galan done the other day, a couple days back. So when they look there, I'm not seeing.
what they girl and do?
But me I treated it and say like a broke pocket man. I want bag of something.
No man, me not pay that no man.
Oh,
You-
but come and tell me, I show me like, and that's why my dad do that. Come here, walk across me, this dark chocolate man turn up there so. And then me think that stop and approach me, my friend. So I feel like something like dog up and make she feel like we are nobody wants you, but can me want to feel
You saw
myself.
me and pop them?
Hey, Papa.
I see that tree. Me just a too long cut. I'm money me away to look at the man married from now.
I'm not busy
So
about
you
money.
saying you have money? Me
No.
don't feel like no man.
Me say that, you know, because I never want to talk to you, or you, me want to talk to, me want you, me like dark chocolate, strong body man.
So yeah, so you like me?
Yeah.
That's why they are talk.
I just say me the girl because me want it for myself and she can put up herself.
But me I tell you this, me can't talk to your friend already. Me
No.
can't go talk to you. Me not
You
that type
can't
of
do
person
that.
there. Me used to do them something when me younger, but now me not do it anymore.
See to me. Once a player, always a player. You can't do them a type of scamby girl, man. Them they gonna. And my friend me I tell about her. See that girl? I heard that. She walk with that something on her forehead.
Yeah, whore.
Yes! She walk with that something on her forehead. A regular. It's only there you see me and her walk. You know where I come from? Up on one man yard up the road, big Joe yard, and then me follow good and little Joe yard. Two brother them me want take.
Me not even look on her that person there.
I think you can't judge a book by its cover. That's why I not judge your book. Me just see and like you long time, but you never that pay me the attention. So now me stay by myself now.
You like me long time and the first what day me I see you.
Me like what you say to me. Ever hear about love at first sight? But on love at first sight, it's like at first sight. As me they walk and me see you, me like I don't even say, hey, I did been liking
so
you from there.
So your friend, you say no, your friend is now a good person.
No, they can't talk to them little idiot girl there. Them they get sell them body. Credit mama they do
Wait
things
it.
for. Hello,
She sell her body.
yeah. Mama all do microphone in a car, market store and crown, job top just one cup soup. In DJ, and you know for DJ good. You can't take me type of female, you need somebody like me in your life. Somebody nice, good, and will take care of you.
You sell her body.
Her body and her mouth, everything she sell.
No, you never tell me from where they ride down, but a place attack the same day.
Because you know you look my way, that look furious, and I say, you know what? Me not shame her, so I can't make sure know. And I go back to her, keep it to yourself. Sip salt, suck up the salt. Calm down, man. Like me, I tell you, I can't get a number.
Sell her body. I mean, talking and she seems like this nice person. You know?
Don't judge a book by its cover. It book good, but you don't know his story.
You know, say me in a church, me in a church. I
In
mean,
a
I tell her, I
church?
say, what do you see?
In a church?
Yes.
Them the girl, if you see, they was say you got you never talk to them, the girl, them the girl talk things bad about church people. They say, oh, church people are doing this, oh, church people are doing that. And how pastor doing this and pastor
And she
taking the
tell me,
bends.
say she will come in a church with me.
She used to go to church. And every time she
say-
talk,
What?
she do things with the pastor. She give the pastor DJ and that little something where you see the pastor put the Bible
The
on.
pulpit.
Yes. When the pastor say Holy Ghost, and the Holy Ghost of God, the pastor they feel like they know. But he always feel the Holy Ghost of Father God now. He feel the Holy Ghost of wash you do down the hand like that. You can't talk to them, the girl them. Give me your number too.
I'm in love, yeah, I'm in love.
Yeah, you love her, you just know her what you yeah. Yeah, sense?
Same like how you just say, like at first sight. Love
Number at first sight, right there, so number at first
No.
sight. Come, number at first sight. Put in the number. Put in the number.
You know.
Put in the number now.
Please explain again. Come in and understand.
When you put in the number, you get more details.
Me no
Put in the number. You me get the number, me give you more details. Thank.
What me I tell you, yo. See, you can't talk to her and tell her if it change. Because I really want to talk to her now.
Listen to me. Me really want to talk to you. So talk to me and make me a change together and go to church and get married and have two picnic.
But I know you me really like your
Hello.
friend.
It's not what you like you're going to always get. You see me over here? You have to take this kind of no other option. You know, can't do. You want a worrying girl when they walk on the road. They walk on the road and go some.
And me I tell her if
Me,
talk
you
to her.
can't- No, I'm sorry.
Me go talk to her.
No.
I gonna talk
no,
to her
you
and say,
can't talk.
change. I'm coming to church.
People like them, they can't change, can't go in a church. God return them back. Listen to me now. Talk to me and make me go to church together, man. What you do? What you do? Tell me like you want like you don't want to talk to me. I'm telling me why
You
you.
know, say she don't come to me and tell me this. You be two-faced, dear friend.
How me I be two-faced?
You be two-faced, dear friend. Because you know you chat good in front of your face and you can't tell me this. Eh? You can't tell me this now.
Watch me. I'm sure say me a two-faced. See so? Her name is Mona. See I'm Mona? Mona girl, me just tell the man how you owe out, girl. Not this bit, see? Yeah. I made that sit here say, you know, I mean, and that. And that. Yeah. But as me I say now, anyway, baby. Let me start something fresh and new, something strong. I should have to know neither.
Yeah, me no want talk to 200 friend.
No, you're not talking to a way.
Me deal with your friend, me can't go skip from your friend and then come to you.
No, me tell you
Me
all
have to talk to your friend, me not like to talk to two people one
No, I
time.
know two people let talk to one time.
That time I pass and me no want to go back in my past.
You're not
I'm
going
keep
back.
on tell you.
You not understand me. The most sure all you go do, right? You said that one two spots barefoot. You can't wear one spot go somewhere.
No.
Good. So you don't take it to away and get none away. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. You can't wear barefoot but no way. Just take go put a spot. Put on the two away and carry with you.
You better me leave it to her now.
No, you don't talk to her. Me talk to her. Me go try to be. Me talk to her. She not hear you talk to me then. Yeah? Alright, later.
You think about it?
No think about it. Know about it. Right.
Yeah, I believe you really sell our body. Still, I'm yo.
Orange bad.
You look at this thing, yeah. Where my money there?
Okay.
Where my money there?
Funny.
Yo. Yeah, you lose your eyesight. Yeah, you problem. Yeah, you problem. Yeah, so you see me up the road. You tell me they walk come from tank and tell me I walk go good up, right?
Yeah.
The third to me say you beg me for your juice. I say, alright. The 1,000 I have me take me 1,000 and get if I go buy this. So I say we pay for 2 hours. 2 hours straight, me say now wait Paul and bring back my change. Me say bring back my change.
But you want to know for 2 hours? I'm thinking you give me 1,000 for take.
Ain't not them a hard time, yeah. Me go look for you and give you my $1,000.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
But no, you eat that. Me want my money. Give me money now.
Me nah go.
Yati, thief. Hold on. Boy, yeah, thief money. You know $1,000 come? You know how $1,000 come here, thief $1,000 come pick me? Oh, you ain't with me. Right. You know hard me work for me $1,000. Eh? You know hard me work for $1,000. She lucky, you know, I'm brad. I should have bought you me see. I should have bought you me see. And I take you and box off your mug head off of your body. Boy, yeah, take $1,000. I want me to your $1,000. You know hard work for my money.
Brother, they say I want to come in the funny road. I want me and beat me and say me thief me money. Look for my finger.
What do you mean you want to beat you?
In the up next door.
Right to the song. Let me shit.
I know.
Go on.
Behind it. Big woman and it me there. Behind it. See it.
How do you?
Where beat me sister?
You beat me up and you talk about one to me.
You want another dose? You want another dose?
One and so.
So tell me now, because you're a big brother, you must be a big man and have sense. I know what is right from what is wrong. Yesterday up the road, she walk come from thank you, she say, right?
Cut the long to your shop, man. Where you beat my sister for?
She take me money. Me give her $1,000. She say she thirsty. Me have to give her the money. I'm look for her situation go buy a juice. She beg me a juice. Me say it's not right to beg. But me thank God, I know one man you go big, I want female. If I do want one man that bring in the bush. Look when I give me $1,000, so go and go buy a juice. Bring back me change. What the change there? See you bring back the change.
Me and tell me, see them tell me say money come out come beg. After me send in the house, you really come on the road, come beg. Thirsty, me see the water in the house. Yard. Come back and come more those man. Wait till me come over there, me and you.
But she come for and beg, and me look when I give her the money, and she gone with me change.
She's a bigger switch and broke him up.
And this me did one use.
She a bust on
But
the
I'm
head.
sure she didn't go the first time in the mood now.
Everything good, man. I'm not about free, man. I go to my yard, go to the
Nice to meet you. My name, what's your name, Jabon?
him see him on.
Kayla, my name. Oh, she a cut. If I think brother don't come to beat me, if my brother come to beat me, beat it 2 hours with the switch. Right. Girl, walk on.
Oh my God,
You good?
I want to talk to you.
I want to talk to you too.
Oh, you want?
What do the back? What do the back?
What I want? I don't
Girl, I
know.
could never want water. I say with Pepsi right, Esther.
That's crazy. If you come, brother,
As me come and smell the Pepsi. But give me some Pepsi, man. Give me
you
some
change, you
Pepsi.
know. I Pepsi, I drop a gun right there.
You know, busy much time you want to drop. I don't care much time you want to drop. And I have 12 to tell you, girl. 10 to in a one. But you say you have something to tell me. You tell me first. You talk first.
All this. I don't feel good so long.
Thanks. Tell me now.
It's refreshing. You don't know, say, Jimbo. I don't the road. One.
Big body Jimbo.
Yes, him one girl. But me don't want to talk to you because I know the other boy when I tell you about want him, the one that me want.
But I like Jimbo.
I don't really like Jimbo. I don't like him like you.
Alright. Yeah, that day I'm break up a yard. But me not see it up back now. Make it done to
You want to
business.
come back for the yard, right?
The last time I come and I break up a yard, tell me want to tight, me really tight. When me I get up and go but my business be take up a garbage. Anyways. What me want to know? You have aisle? You work with the hubler people then? Like you go to down, you take, you have no special eye where you pay your body?
No. Regular lotion.
Because every man that God sent in this lane, they want you. Someone if a aisle you use. So if a curse in aisle mix it together and I use, go in at the house can come.
That sounds a bad mind.
It's not bad man, it's the facts. It's the fact.
That is not no fact because me not
It's the
rub
fact.
my
What
body.
you don't know? What you don't know? I'm telling you say like big body Jimbo. If you never like you to tell me about him. But true you love big body man. I mean, know your friends say you love big body strong man. You want big body Jimbo, but guess what? You can't get big body Jimbo. You can't want to talk to 2 man.
Yeah.
What upon you? Make the man them want you so. What upon
Yeah.
you?
Yeah, my friend, and that's why I tell you about Jimbo. Because if me never trust you and I never respect you and nothing in a one mood to tell about Jimbo, me no want Jimbo. Me don't tell about the little dark complexion boy when me want.
And you just start talk about Jimbo.
Me I tell about Jimbo, so Jimbo look me and me no want
Jesus
him.
Christ, me a bun. One heat to take over my body now.
Me can't marry a friend no man. Sometimes I love you, sometimes I hate you. Me can't marry.
Mama, I hate you all the time and love you most of the time. But guess what? Me I tell you say, every man that come in the lane, you want them. You want Dick Tom and Harry. And that's a single one day, you know, because you want to have 2 man one time.
Oh, you know some want them. Did you tell her that?
Me know your mona. Once you talk about one man down the lane, you want them. When Paul there look, you never tell me say Paul look you. I mean, if I buy half of me, say Paul look you. Exactly.
Me no want Paul.
So how you count about big body Jimbo now?
Me no want Jimbo, but the biggest but I don't want him.
Get up. Stand up. That's what I want to say. No one. Probably at the way all you walk.
Oh, me walk.
What? Let me see all you walk.
This come like a joking thing. Oh,
What?
me walk. Me.
No man. I want to say for the way you walk, I attract the man. Because I want to attract man too. Me want man too. Walk, mama, walk. Let me see how you walk. Walk.
Me walk there. So me walk.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ. What wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's
How
wrong
much
with
am I
me?
hour?
Me not match you. Cause you don't walk like say something tight. So me I walk like my one tight. Although my one tight, so me have to practice the walk. Me want man. Cause every
so
time
bad
you-
mind for your
it's
friend.
not bad
You're
mind.
bad mind.
It's not bad mind.
I'm gonna stop telling my business.
Never stop coming here,
If I want Jimbo, you take Jimbo. I don't want Jimbo. Or the dark skin boy. I tell you what
Me don't want Jimbo. Me have my eye for one man and somebody that in a my. Me tell you, girl, me your friend. But me not argue with you. Me not argue with you.
Me not argue with you either because me not dash it because you hurt me.
Girl, I told me I told me yo. I eat a bread a time full time. I prank you, girl. So me catch you. Me catch you, girl.
You don't just a soul.
Girl, you take things so personal. But as me I say, somebody I try to take one man and me I look. But guess what? They go fix it myself.
Me a go in my house now, come in and argue with you. Me can't bother with you. Come out of me yard, take up rubbish.
Hello. Remember how you get this? I miss Papa and white man.
Me no business, I might know.
Me will make the man come back and take it on. Eh? You're right.
Okay, y'all them friend of bad mind. Me just have to say bad mind. Take up rubbish and come out of me yard.
You feel like you alone have yard? Me got yard too.
Come out.
Right.
Come out. Have a nice
Come on,
day.
well, cause she alone have yard. But you wait. You wait. By the hook or by the crook, I must get that man there. You see, I said, I must take that man. You see, if you're not dead, and me are dead. And you me know say no me dead because I'm me I take the man. Bride. As long as me alive and me I get that man there, bride. But you want a man. I must see when me walk or you walk because that attract the man there.
I'll go and buy that.
I did. Yeah, man, everything up. I might think I can't give me.
I tell them I wish, my boy, I wish. But me I work on it here. A lady says she want me get my hand. Either today or tomorrow. So she did busy.
So you go, man.
You understand?
Yeah, good you, man. I don't want to pressure you still, but you know.
Yeah, man, I make you get it, man.
My little sister, me there try stress me out in the day, boy.
Why do?
Me look up for go beg, and woman give me money, and then she try to give you woman money. Me have to go walk him up a while up on the road.
Same thing me say to her at the end. Me say satisfied with what your brother give you. And see now, she gone out the road. Where say she the thief?
You must go see a woman and beg him to buy my juice. The man must give money to make her change. You don't have to woman change.
You need to put her in a, if you
the woman whop him up, make him go back and give him some more whopping daddy. Send him back in the yard. Yeah, me,
alright, you man have a discipline when they understand themselves. Because there's no way there, so I try with her. And she gone and pan road and beg. What kind of style that will make you look bad, you know?
After me then I look up garage, so I may show her say you buy one for school.
Old bike, you say?
No old man.
You know old?
No, so I just want to look work on, you know. I towards the more renty man.
I put you up on the beach?
Yeah. I put it up front so then pass and can see it, you know.
A good idea.
Because they love them back there, you know. A good money make off right, man. I tell them, man, good
anyway,
money.
what I come to talk to you about is me there on my fence side. And on my fence side, my grandmother fence side. So but I know my family here. Me did there me have tear down some bush off of the fence because my man come cut the seed over there. You understand? So me did there and then this girl walk come. That are the girl that me I look friend. Walk come to me and I say, wait. Me I say, what do I owe this pleasure? Here come and talk to me. He come and talk to me and I say, me no fit talk to her friend at this, her friend at that, and her friend at work, her friend at sell her body. And me I say, in my head me I say, what this a girl come and tell me this?
And
the two of them are friend.
I see them telling her daddy.
The two of them are friend.
And
she come and tell me a bad thing about her friend.
So I say if a secret thing you have for your friend, I want you.
See? Tell you, two of them are friend. Why you play two-face with your friend?
Why?
You laugh up with your friend and you know rate your friend. That don't make no sense to me. 0 sense that make to me right now.
You have to work out, you know.
You're laughing at your friend's face and then now behind the back you come to me and say, because you know me like her friend and me I say, girl, me can't go because she said she want me. And I say, girl, me can't go talk to you because I don't talk to your friend that will look bad. him jump and talk to you now. I say, Mama, I can't go work. She tell me, say, me have my 2 slippers. If me can walk without one of my slippers. I say, no. Say, okay, you have to wear the 2 of them. So you have to take the 2 away. So I say, me no, if I say it, I'll go, me not take none of them.
Right. Trouble the day, no?
None of them. Come here, boy.
So it's like you have to do just left the one day alone. Just left them alone and go look different boy.
But me like that girl.
Whole heap out where you gonna like to, man. More than I like to.
Me like that one.
More heap more where you gonna like, man. Easy, man. I just come see, man. Cause trouble got it right there, so you know. Remember me tell you, you know. Take my foolish advice. Trouble I got did there.
Yeah, is any trouble with it, any problem, we go solve them. I go confront them. Anytime she come check me, I tell her to be careful friend. Anytime she come check me, go confront them.
But watch you know. It's trouble. Trouble come with lock up and don't say me should there. So
no man, nobody
now
me not push up violence.
Man. You don't know girl pick come down. They dead lean. Because don't make them kill you. And her laugh you up. Remember she still have to give me a little dividends, you know. So they give me a little dividends now. Anything can happen after. Because you want to go down the road there, you know. You see?
I know I'm good, man. I have something. I know I'm good. I go up and now. I rain I come down. I don't want to catch me.
Yes, sir.
I soon deal with that thing. I know what you say, man. I soon deal with that thing for you.
Yes, line up. You can look at juice money, man.
Eh?
If I look at juice money, man. Not yo. Remember say.
You catch me at the wrong time. I not have my wallet. And see that?
Nothing in my pocket.
Nothing in my pocket. Nothing. I just saw paper. Nothing in my pocket, man. The wrong time. Look how more I see, man. Look how more I see. Yeah?
Look more, man. Look more.
Really?
Just remember me, you know.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay. Tight to your money, man. Man, stingy for saying anymore.
You can't really say.
I say no. You see a friend, you need to watch your friend the way you have. Because she's not a good friend to you.
Yeah, but she's not a good friend. Your friend is very good.
Yesterday, your friend come to me and me there my family then land fence side. I want to see that she cut there. And me a tear it down. You understand? And she come there and look me.
What?
And me I say, are your friend and you come and look me? And I tell me something boy, you are whole and every man around you have one bag of something.
My friend not do that. Stop telling her, she not do that.
Yeah. Would I call her say I tell
a
a lie?
good friend to me, she not doing that.
Me would I call her yes I tell a lie?
No, I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
You don't believe me?
Probably you see her come and look at her and put it on she. My friend not doing that.
Why
because she didn't want me to talk to you.
Why would they look at her? And I you me say one? Yeah?
Why me not believe her? She not
See
doing
her
that.
come. See her come. See her ask her. You know they come and look me yesterday.
Look you.
You all look me yesterday and I tell me some bad shit about your friend. I tell me say your friend a war and she have more. They will do
come and say that true.
No, that's not true. I never tell you that.
Oh, it's a lie.
When me have a conversation, I never
It's a
tell her.
lie, man. Stop telling
Me
lie.
not tell her, man, because me know you're good at not doing that.
So I told there, Sadu.
Stop telling lie. Are you me a chat because I have to talk to her about you?
But we never, you know what?
And I say, most players suppose they have on.
So, to person never have
I say, she say, you can't wear one super good. And me I say, no. So she say, alright then, take it 2 away. Like she want me there with the 2 on.
No, this come like it can make sense. You never do want me to talk to him at
yes,
first.
it can make sense. Let me be honest, but let me be two-faced. Let me talk the truth now. Me sick and tired of you.
A good friend.
Me sick and tired. Every time we dey on the road and we are walk, you dey walk I am muggle. You dey walk I am muggle. Me never the bump we have around yourself, but every man we see want you. Every man you want.
Hold up. So bad man, bad man.
Me no bad man, yo.
He's a hypocrite.
I do not care. I am a hypocrite friend. I don't care where you want.
So why you laughing on face? You know you're not with me.
Me no with you no more. Every man want you.
Exactly.
How would I hurt her?
You could have hurt her because
You fi stop chat too. You fi stop chat.
You fi shut up your mouth.
Oh, me not different.
Because as you say, me and the boy are try to build together, right?
Build what together? Build what together? When you talk about big body Joe, big body Joe, can I talk about big body Joe?
Tell her, say me a Christian in a church and she say, you are the wrong somebody if you there with me in a church. You are the wrong somebody. That's what she tell me.
I put in a chicken place again.
Stop your mouth.
Move 5 out, I'm a face. Oh, I mean, no
way
tear.
you can't say can't turn my mind. No way you say can't turn my mind.
I don't care.
Every word come out your mouth.
A lie.
Lie. You is a liar. You.
Who a liar? Me a liar.
You is a liar.
Me a liar.
If you stop, then something to stop.
Me no business.
People.
Me I don't care. Me consider me two-faced. I don't
I
care.
walk around and say things gonna go so.
But it go so. She used to do them things there. And she still take your chicken peel. Me whatever chicken peel you take. And you walk like underneath your title, underneath your big.
Oh, you know that?
Like the ocean.
Oh, you know that?
Like how much a man will go under the happy big. How much a man you take? Me no speak for myself.
Mine you speak for yourself. You understand and say who feeds it knows it.
No, I'm big jogger under this so. I'm not a big jog body big. Oh,
you know saying go there?
Come see when him big jaw spread it. And when they in a Chara DJ per market, they tell them something there now.
No, mama.
Yes.
No, mama, I didn't go somewhere. We never do anything, so do not come
You
in.
do it. You do it.
You're just bad man. I just that
I don't
big. You're
care.
bad man.
I
You're not a
don't
good
care.
friend.
I don't big.
I don't come back from me and come on my food.
Me not come back to your yard. No. Yes, when a man that broke your heart. Don't run
Nah,
come to
but
me and cry my baby.
You know say me go leave me will stay out there too.
No,
Better.
No. Because it won't.
Come. Me want.
Oi. Oi, the white shirt, the white. Oi.
Girl!
Let me go.
Where you fight over man?
Peter, because you want you wicked.
When me warn you about man said, if a man can't love you alone,
No,
the man.
I swear.
You have any there?
No, but she I can't tell me something about she. Come here, look she and she.
Uncle, every time I come
and she come and look me and tell me
Uncle,
say,
me tell her,
this a girl a whore and
I
this
say,
a girl a dick.
Any day when me a walk come down, me there me a walk on me and her, me see the boy down the lane, me see a nice boy.
Me come trap me up,
He
man.
come then I talk to she. She a walk and muggle.
Show me nice boy. Where nice boy?
Him.
You want
I
one
mean,
glass?
He nice.
You want one glass?
No.
Listen, imagine to God say, me the whole of this family is coffee. Right? And you gonna take up Pepsi.
What?
Tired.
Why you never look for milk?
You looking at the mirror? You looking at the mirror when you wake?
You brought this morning. Why you never take up milk?
Me no want no milk. Me want dark chocolate, man. That me want.
You want-
And she want take it.
You want to
Come my man.
And I hear man.
You tell say want you?
What
Mama,
about Big Joe?
you.
Slap her, man. Slap her.
No man no belongs to you, no.
You mean by? I'm my man.
Whether
And
you
my man.
You can't take him?
whether you're married, you're single, or you're single-ish, no man no belongs to you. Every other woman have a piece of our man. Man short. Woman plenty, you got a problem to fight over man. If you hold a man, you hold a man. You don't fight over it.
How old she be?
This a girl and no reach nowhere yet.
Uncle, can you go down now?
You couldn't wear. This a girl is still a piece in bed, you know reach nowhere yet. In just barely to 18. This girl no reach
And
nowhere
she a
yet.
go on like she a big woman.
Big woman, man. Yeah, a big woman
Big.
come and take
Me
him.
start bust breast.
Okay. Now me understand what you do with the children. When you know about breast, make it tie down then. Tie down, make it flat. Like a chicken
But
check.
uncle, me
And your
must
family have to sure and teach and say no out there.
I like to
You
think
have to
though.
go to school,
Me,
you
me,
have
me,
to teach and write it.
Oh.
Girl, we can't man
See,
come between.
I own a big man to
Where we
teach
coming
them
in from?
say. They have to stay in a
Family
school.
Friendship
Yeah.
done.
Me a go.
How about that? How about a man, yeah?
My man.
Angle them.
Hello, your man.
You just know, say me stay out of them.
Come on.
Let's come for we.
Let's get
No,
out of
no.
here.
Call on him,
Me call her later.
Dirty man.
Where can dirty man?
No, your man, if you're anything, I'll piss them. But I want him.
It's 1.5 friend, right?
The friendship done.
Done.
I'ma tell like
Over one
Friendship
man.
done.
Over
Can you
one
want the man?
Over one man.
Over one man.
Over one man, you not go long, so right?
Yes. I'm one thing for my man.
Let me teach you something. You see,
If
don't
me not get the man, you not get the man. It's me going raffle out here. So me tell her that today, yeah. Me might be young, but me tell you, me want
All
a
right.
man there.
Alright, let me make it
Okay,
clear.
me want a
Let
man
me
there.
make
Me
it
done
clear.
chat.
You want the man?
Yes.
You want the
My
man?
man.
Good. You're just 17, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, how much?
17.
What very well.
A chicken pill the girl I take.
Shut up out.
Me swear, mama, I swear to you, you know, you're 35, I got 36.
How about a man beat me?
You are 17? Mama, you cook out yourself before time.
Mm-hmm.
Mama,
Hello,
if I
sir.
give me a few.
Do not come and try this your dirty knees.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
your
call
dirty
dirty.
man.
Oh, yeah, call dirty.
You.
Who? Which one I know I open on from the mouth about a man? Make a go to the spit, make her have sense.
Spit on the O.
Hey,
Box O.
Baxo,
Box O, uncle. Never see no feed me flower, you know. You run me out here, you try to put your hand on me.
why me run you out of my yard and I feed you?
Because me go down the road go tell the people them what you say. And put little bit of spice on it. Because of the way you me talk. Just like when me tell a man I say you have 1,000 man, when I 1,000 man I look her and the man them don't want me. Now the man them want me because she did it. So me I get rid of her, she look herself.
Yo, me. You see when I see she, I come, turn back.
Yes. That's what I
Don't
Good, so me can
invite,
get man.
don't invite her back in your yard. Young me, I beg you do. Take out back the earring, them out of your ears and the one them out of your nose and take off the tattoo
Wait till tomorrow come on.
and go back in a school.
Laser them out.
You know,
And take it, the ears ring them and tighten up underneath your foot, underneath your foot.
Shut up your mouth. Where you know? You go under there?
Me know everything. And me I tell you the truth. He just grieve me now. Uncle, he just grieve me. Say me nah get him and now the man gone. Sick of you, girl. Sick of you.
hello,
Sick of you. Sick of you.
drum lizard. Yeah, man, fight it out. Roughly it out. Roughly it out. Yes, roughly it out. Roughly it out, man. I'm going to roughly it out. Roughly it out. Roughly it out, man. Roughly it out. Oh, no, roughly it out. If you are on a young girl in the lane, I'm going to teach you. Then, wait. Wait a minute.